Hello, hello, hello. So this song is, I don't know what it is. It's a song I remember when we used to get together, a family used to get together and we all play. They used to play this one on accordion, but I have no clue what the song is. I don't know if they just made it up or what the hell it was. I don't even know if there's another part to it other than the part I play. It's just something I remember from when I was a kid, so if anybody knows what it is, let me know, and maybe I can figure out more to it if there's more to it. But I'm just gonna call it the jig of sorts. That's a good name because it's a jig. So it's a nice, fast-paced, fun song to play. So let's go. That's it. And all I can remember from my kid is they start it slow. And then it just keeps gradually speeding it up until players had to drop out because they couldn't keep up. And of course the accordion could just keep going because he's just the keys instead of strumming. So he always beat us. But anyways, simple, straightforward. So that's the first part. Am I doing a hammer on? Yeah, it starts open. And then there's a hammer on right there from your first to your second. And then the second part, and then you just keep going back and forth between the two parts over and over again. And then to put chords behind it, it's all D and A. So when you're doing that part, just strum the whole thing. The first part. Goes to the A. Back to the D. That's all I know. So I'm hoping it's an actual song and there's a second part, because there should be like a turnaround part to it. But until I find out what song it is, you guys gotta help me. And that's all I know. Unless I just phone my family up and say, hey, what was that? But well, I'll put it out to you. Maybe someone will know. But so that's that for that. Nice, quick, fast, easy lesson. Easy lesson for me to put out anyway. Let's do one more. We'll see you guys in a few.